So what is a thermal strike ranger or bedbug oven? Well, it's a super easy way to treat things inside of a closed chamber that may have been exposed to bedbugs. You can put books, pillows, stuffed animals, clothing, paper files, many electronics, shoes, and all kinds of fabrics inside of the machine. Then all you do is plug it in and turn it on. The machine does all the work for you. Since 30% of the population does not react to bedbug bites, this is a great way to ensure you're not taking home any bedbugs from a hotel, movie theater, doctor's office, or some other place. When people don't react to bedbug bites, they don't even know they're being bitten or sitting in a place being exposed that may have bedbugs. Recently, one of our clients went and sat on their friend's couch for a few hours. Unknowingly, this couch had a bedbug infestation, which they later learned. But since this client did not react to the bedbug bites, they did not even know the couch had bedbugs. The way they found out was that a few weeks later, their friend told them that they found an infestation on the couch. Unfortunately, our client did not take any precautions upon returning home because they did not even know they were exposed to bedbugs. We did find an early case of bedbugs at our client's house. However, if they would have come home and as a protocol, heat treated their clothing inside of this thermal strike, they would have avoided carrying the bedbugs home. This is why the machine works as both a prevention technique and can help you treat an active infestation. The best thing about the Thermal Strike Ranger bedbug oven is that it's super easy to use when comparing it to many other bedbug heaters on the market. All you do is unzip the top and throw things inside. The heating elements are built into the 6 sides of the machine, so this particular heater does not have a motor and a fan like many other brands on the market. All you do is place things inside and zip it closed. Make sure the temperature sensor string is inside the machine and then turn it on for 2, 4, or 8 hours. It quickly reaches bedbug killing temperature, which is 120 Fahrenheit, if the machine is not packed. I've rarely had to set it for 8 hours. In most cases, everything will get up to 120 within 2 to 4 hours. It has a timer that automatically turns off at the 2, 4, or 8 hour mark. The screen tells you what the temperature is rising to and that the maximum temperature was met, so you can easily check on it and see what temperature it rose to. It's also easy to set up and it collapses. There are 4 poles inside of these Velcro holes that hold the machine up and in place. If you take these 4 poles out, you can collapse the machine and put it away in the closet. However, I prefer to leave it out at all times so I can heat my clothing or any new items that I purchase online in the heater before I begin using them.